How to fix if mobile data is not working on. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down and turn on flight mode, turn off flight mode, turn on or turn off flight mode 1 2 3 times. After turn on or turn off flight mode, go back, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, again open quick settings panel, check internet connection. You will see your internet connection is worked properly. Yes, after turn on or turn off internet connection, you will see internet connection is worked properly. You will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity options, scroll down and click on reset settings and click on enter your phone pin and you will see click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone, you will check your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so click on settings app, click on about phone, scroll down to and click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if mobile data is not working on. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.